You must have heard the name Vaseline. You probably use it too. But do you know that this small petroleum jelly can make you more attractive, clean, and confident? Yes, bro, it's not just for dry lips. If you know how to use it the smart way, then it can become your secret grooming weapon that makes your face glow. Your lips will stay soft, and your overall look will feel fresh. People use expensive creams and serums, and today I'm going to tell you 5 Vaseline tricks that are simple and useful for every boy. Whether it's winter or summer, these hacks will level up both your appearance and confidence. So make sure to watch till the end, because at the end, I'll share a bonus Vaseline hack that will make you literally noticeable the next morning. Let's start with the first trick. Because bro, the first impression of your face starts from there. Whether you're going to college, at the gym, or casually talking to someone, if your lips are dry, cracked, or whitish, your whole look starts to feel dull. Lips are the center point of our face, and when they are clean, hydrated, and soft, your whole personality feels fresh and attractive. The simple trick is this. Before sleeping at night, apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your lips. It locks in moisture overnight, and by morning your lips become naturally soft, hydrated, and smooth. But if you want faster results, try this easy hack. Mix a little coconut oil with Vaseline and use a soft toothbrush to gently rub your lips for 10 to 15 seconds. This removes dead skin, increases blood circulation, and makes your lips look naturally pink and healthy without any fancy products. Especially in winter, when lips get extra dry, this trick is literally a lifesaver. And bro, soft lips not only make you look fresh, but also create a clean and confident vibe. The first area where tiredness and stress show on your face is under your eyes. Whether you stayed up all night watching Netflix or had a late-night study session, in the morning, dullness, dryness, and dark circles are clearly visible. And this small thing ruins the freshness of your whole face. But the good news is that this problem can be easily fixed with Vaseline. Before sleeping, just take a little Vaseline on your fingertip and gently apply it under your eyes. A thin layer is enough. It creates a moisture barrier that locks in the skin's natural oils and protects from dryness. Within a few days, you'll clearly feel the difference. Your skin will feel softer, the darkness will fade a bit, and your whole face will look fresher and more awake. Especially in cold weather, when skin gets drier, this trick works perfectly. A clean face feels complete only when your eyebrows and eyelashes are properly groomed. Often boys ignore these small details, but the truth is they give your face a sharp and masculine look. Just take a tiny amount of Vaseline on your fingertip or a brush and apply it evenly on your eyebrows and eyelashes. This does 2 things. First, it keeps your brows in shape and sets random hairs. Second, it adds a healthy shine that instantly gives your face a polished and clean vibe. If you use it regularly, your eyebrows will start looking naturally softer and more manageable, and your eyelashes will also feel slightly thicker and healthier. Have you ever noticed how some people's face naturally glows in camera or lighting? That's not always because of expensive highlighters, but a simple hack. Just take a little Vaseline and lightly dab it on your cheekbones and the bridge of your nose. It gives an instant shine and freshness, like your skin is naturally hydrated. This hack is especially perfect for moments when your face looks a bit dull, like winter mornings or after long college days. Vaseline works like a natural highlighter that reflects light and adds a subtle glow to your skin without any makeup or fake look. And the best part is, this glow doesn't look oily. It just gives a clean, healthy, and confident vibe. Fragrance is something that not only attracts people, but also makes you memorable. But the problem is that as soon as you apply perfume, its smell fades within a few hours. With a simple Vaseline hack, you can make your fragrance last twice as long. Just apply a little Vaseline on your wrist and neck area before spraying perfume. Then spray your perfume on the same spots. Vaseline creates a moisture base where the perfume molecules stick and release slowly, so the fragrance lasts throughout the day. This hack is especially useful on days when you're going to college, the gym, or on a date and want to maintain a clean, masculine aura all day. And the best part is, this trick works even with normal body sprays, making them feel premium and long-lasting. A small step, but a strong impact, because fragrance creates the first impression and stays till the end. If you think Vaseline is only for lips or face, then this bonus hack will shock you. It works like a full-body repair cream. Before sleeping, apply a little Vaseline on your dry elbows, heels, knees, and lips. You can also rub a bit on your nails and cuticles. In the morning, both your skin and nails will feel soft and hydrated. If your face feels dry at night, apply a pinch-sized layer of Vaseline under your eyes and around the corners of your nose. This helps your skin repair overnight, and in the morning, your face naturally glows. This simple trick will give you a soft and clean look everywhere without any fancy creams. So bro, these were 5 smart Vaseline tricks that work not only in winter, but all year round. With just one product, your whole grooming setup is ready. Now it's not about watching, it's about trying. Add any 2 or 3 of these hacks into your daily routine and see the difference yourself. Your skin will look clean and your confidence will feel next level. So subscribe to the channel now and tell me in the comments which Vaseline trick you found the most useful.